How to delete a recipient from the suppression list in Moosend. First, click on the link provided in the description below to gain easy access on the tool we'll be using. Once there, log in your account or sign up if you don't already have one. After logging in, you will be directed to the dashboard. To begin, navigate to the menu bar. Click on More and then select Suppression List from the drop-down menu. Once you're in the Suppression List management page, you'll see a menu on the left side. Click on View All Subscribers to access the list of email addresses that are part of your suppression list. Now, locate the recipients that you want to remove from the suppression list. You can easily do this by scrolling through the list or using the search function. Once you find the recipients, select the checkbox next to their name. With the recipients selected, look for the Select Action drop-down menu located above the list of recipients. Click on it and choose the Delete option. After selecting Delete, a dialog box titled Confirm Action will appear. Here, you need to click on the Delete button to confirm the removal of the recipients from the suppression list.